Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a GIF to your photo on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's explore the steps together. To get started, open Messenger on your Android phone. Open the chat where you want to send the photo with the GIF. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Capture a new photo using the camera function within Messenger, or choose an existing photo from your device's gallery to serve as the canvas for your creative expression. Once you've selected the photo you want to enhance, tap on the smiley face icon located at the right side of the screen. This will open up the options for adding stickers and GIFs to your photo. Tap on Stickers at the bottom of the screen to access the sticker library within Messenger, including a variety of animated GIF stickers. Select the GIF sticker that best complements your photo by tapping on it. This allows you to add a touch of animation and personality to your image. After choosing the desired GIF sticker, tap on the send arrow icon located at the bottom right of the screen to send the photo with the added GIF to your chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your photos on Messenger by incorporating fun and animated GIFs, making your conversations more engaging and lively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to add a GIF to your photo on Messenger with the latest updates. Get creative and start sharing your animated masterpieces with your contacts today.